Perform, perform. You ready to go? You ready to go? Yeah. Vámonos. Vámonos, girl. 7 a.m. and I'm already just sweating. Look at this. There's no point in doing your hair here. But we're gonna go see if we can make it to Cemetery Island, which you can only get to during low tide. So hopefully the tide is low and we could go check it out. Okay, so should be around here.
Ahora se tapa eso.
Yo no como hasta las 10 y media de la mañana.
Ah, bueno. Pues tranquilo entonces.
There's the island. Would you get a crabby? It's so cute. Ciao, pescado. Oof, we have made it. I am dripping in sweat. Oh Jesus, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but and it's not even that hot yet. It's getting in my eye. Let's go check it out. Ready for the next ones, I guess. Look at all the crabs. It looks like the ground is literally moving. There's so many. That is so cool. It keeps going. I'm not sure how long it is, but there's a little pathway here. So let's go see. Let's go check it out. And we've made it to the other side of the island. Which is, it's small, it's pretty small, but it's pretty.
Ya, y sí, ya se murió. Lo perdimos.
So we explored Cemetery Island. It's nice, it's pretty. But I think we need to get out before the tide comes back and we get stuck here. It's going up a bit. Ow, ow, fuck, something bit me. And ahora, ¿dónde vamos? Where are we going?
Vamos a la catarata de Montezuma y a las pozas burbujeantes que están arriba de la catarata de Montezuma.
The secret jacuzzi, I guess you could call it.
Nos dijo el waiter.
It's a secret, even though I'm putting it on video. Let's go. Well, one of us almost didn't make it off the island, and now he's gonna have to be carried. Talk about Patron, not him. Damsel in distress. Oh, somebody almost stayed on that island, huh? Oh, poor phone. Oh, poor phone. Oh no, we're off the island. Say bye-bye. Ciao. The boat's there parked, waiting. Soon all of this is gonna be covered underwater. And only way to the island is by boat after that. It only happens twice a day that you can get to this island, either in the morning or in the afternoon. I would not risk it in the afternoon. What if you get stuck and then you're stuck there at night? No, I'm good, thanks. It's a good thing we got here early, because now when we got here there was no one. And now the parking lot is full. And there's more people rolling in. I wonder if they're gonna get stuck on the island. We made it, well, to the waterfall parking. Do not listen to Google because it'll take you all the way up there, like to the middle of nowhere. We're driving around in circles and the thing was right there. There was a whole bunch of cars, so you can't see the sign that says Montezuma Waterfall. And now we gotta figure out where to go. Ay, vea qué lindo esos pantalones. Almost lost them. Go, sir. Come on, Patron. You can do it. A rescue mission. Hey, pero para dónde va? Rescue mission for the fatty. It's alright, Patron. We leave no man behind. Come on. Ah, you did it. Yeah. There it is. This is as far as he'll go with water. Patron! Patron! No le da vergüenza ser tan chineado. No le da vergüenza. ¡Opa! 4x4. Está heavy con patrón. Patas cortas. No man is left behind. Especially not Patron. He is the man. I don't know why we thought of doing this with Patron. But we leave no man behind. Oh my God. I can't believe we just did that. We really just did that. But look how pretty it is here. We're in the jungle, baby. Wow. We're high as fuck. And we continue to go higher. We're up. I mean, I don't even know how we did it with this little fatty. But we did it. Ay, no, tranqui. Con patrón no se puede. So we had no clue it was going to be this hard to get down. I mean, look how high up we are. There is another way to go around, and I'll tell you about it in the video. So we gotta go down, which I don't know how we're gonna do it with Patron. Look at this. One wrong move. And yeah, chao pescado. Yeah, we did it. Explorer, hotel. It's freaking gorgeous. The water feels so good, especially after that hike. Ooh, perfect. And then to get out, you just pay like $1, $2, and you walk. There's a trail. So we did all that, and there was a trail. I don't know how I'm gonna get through it, but he's doing it with one hand and a dog on him. So we went through all that, climbed all around, and this whole time there were stairs. There were stairs. We literally put our lives in danger, and there were stairs. Good to know.
Strikes by my window. It's my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days.
So that trail led us through some hanging bridges and everything, and we came out here, which is Sun Trails Waterfall Canopy Tour. And we have no idea how long it is to get back to the parking lot where we parked. It is hot as and now we have to walk. So I guess we wanted adventure. We definitely got it. A 20-minute walk down. But look, there's monkeys. Into my soul. The monkey looked into my soul, and then he threw a mango. So I am far waiting to see somebody else get mangoes thrown at. Beers and butterflies. It's like the perfect combo. We can't walk anymore. We need some beer. It got us. We are defeated. We wanted adventure, and we sure got it. I got a mango thrown at me. Our feet are looking at us like this. But we got beer.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's so good. It's really good. Yo que ni la he probado y diciendo que it's so good. But I smelled it and it smelled good. So. Taste of heaven. Oh, we made it back. What a relief. I've never been so happy to see you. I love you. Oh, you're so juicy. Remix.